Hey guys, Anthony over at Nissan of Canton. On today's episode of Nissan Ownership, we have again the 2024 Rogue Platinum. I want to go over the heads-up display, how to activate or deactivate it if you like or hate the feature. Welcome back, guys. So today we're going to talk about the heads-up display, and let me see if I can get it. It is kind of a sunny day here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but right there is the miles per hour, aka speedometer. So if you hate that, if you purchase a vehicle with a heads-up display and you find it distracting, it's just this little button on the side here. It's an eye for information with a little dot line to the front of the vehicle. If you depress that, I'm going to push it as I show you. It goes away. And then if you want it back, push the same button again. Bam. Now it's back. I'm going to also kind of show you how to go and kind of change the settings on this guy. So again, here, go all the way to your settings. Heads up display. Now you can adjust the brightness, the height, you can even rotate it a little bit. Content selection, so you can have your navigation, your driving assist on there, your speed limit sign, audio, any of these options, you can have it displayed in the heads-up hub. Or you can reset to factory settings. It's easy as that, guys. Thank you for watching again. We'll see you in the next video.